The wait is finally over as Instagram is catching up with the aesthetics of iOS 26, rolling out the clean, more impressive, and much anticipated liquid glass navigation bar to a select group of users. The new look is unmistakable. Instead of the traditional dark or light strip pinned to the bottom of the screen, the navigation elements now float inside a translucent, pill-shaped container. It hovers slightly above the bottom edge, mimicking the system-wide design language Apple introduced in iOS 26. This ain't Instagram's first rodeo with liquid glass. The app added support for iOS 26's redesigned keyboard back in September, but the navigation bar update took a bit longer to arrive. It goes without saying, it's still being deployed gradually across Instagram's massive user base. Even we haven't got hands on the feature yet. What's sad is that while Instagram is embracing iOS 26's design language, WhatsApp is still nowhere near ready. The messaging app hasn't even added support for the liquid glass keyboard yet, let alone updated its navigation bar, and users are of course waiting and frustrated. With Instagram moving forward to iOS 26's visual refresh, WhatsApp lags behind, making it feel dated compared to the other messaging apps that have already made the jump. We hope Meta catches up soon.